What's up everyone, this is Tony with Journey Crypto. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys my thoughts on the cryptocurrency markets right now. We have Ethereum testing $1,300 right now, getting very close to its all-time high. And I'm going to show you guys some very bullish news over the past 24 hours that proves we're only getting started. And I do think things are going to remain bullish and continue trending upwards. So I will get into all that. Before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I make new videos. A lot of this information is very time sensitive. So real quick, I just want to thank you all again for subscribing, liking the videos, and sharing the videos as well, and helping promote the channel. We not only broke 50,000, but we went straight upwards. We're getting very close to 55,000 in just the last day. Just insane. So I do appreciate all of you that are helping out. And I do want to give you guys a warning. There's a lot of scammers right now, especially with the channel growing. So I deleted over 1,000 spam comments yesterday at 4 or 5 different times throughout the day, but they just keep coming. So I do want you guys to be aware that I'm not going to be able to delete all of these comments. So if you guys see these, please report these as spam, and be aware that these are scammers trying to take your money. So as you can see, this is a fake comment here. So to know it's actually me, you will see my comment has the gray background on my name, and that's how you know it's me. You can also click through to the channel and you'll see they have no videos or subscribers here. As you guys see, 1 subscriber, so you know this is a fake account. So I've actually been shadow banning a lot of different keywords, which is why these comments are all spaced out and weird looking, because that's the only way they can get the comment through without the YouTube algorithm blocking their comment. So no matter what I do, they're gonna find a way through. So just be aware and report these as spam here. You can go to report and then select unwanted commercial content or spam. I do appreciate that, and it will help prevent people from getting scammed. So jumping into the crypto markets here with the top 10 cryptos, we have Bitcoin holding $40,000. Ethereum is now moving upwards once again, testing $1,300. It did hit it briefly, and I do think it's gonna hold resistance here and break upwards if there's no bad news. And Ethereum is quite undervalued compared to Bitcoin, in my opinion. You have to keep in mind Bitcoin is double its all-time high already, and Ethereum still hasn't passed its all-time high, although Ethereum is past its all-time high market cap. And how that works is as more Ethereum comes into circulation, basically the market cap goes up more as the price goes up as well. But I do believe we will be breaking 1,400 Ethereum here, possibly in the next 12 hours. And I will be doing a video coming up on whether I think it's better to buy Ethereum or Cardano. As you guys know, I'm big on Cardano ADA, and I do think ADA will be the best performing top 10 throughout pretty much the entire 2021, but specifically in just Q1 over the next few months. We've already seen that go up 86% on the 7-day here. I do think that could be moving upwards again soon, especially if there's another big announcement. So I will be talking in that video about which one I'd rather buy, Ethereum or Cardano. That should be my next video coming out here in a few hours. So besides that, pretty much the rest of the top 10s are sitting still, besides Bitcoin Cash actually going up 30% today. Pretty interesting. Chainlink is also up 17%. Besides that, everything else is just finding a support level. But if we do see Ethereum start testing its all-time high and then break upwards of $2,000, I do think we will be seeing some other top 10 altcoins shoot up as well. Cardano ADA does seem to be going up alongside Ethereum now. So we're also starting to see many altcoins outside of the top 10 really start to skyrocket now. Maker MKR here, up 50% today, 150% on the 7-day. We got others up here 20%, Synthetics SNX is up 66% on the 7-day. Lots of coins going up. Even Dogecoin is holding 1 cent, which this is a meme coin, but Elon Musk does promote this, and I will be talking more about Elon Musk and Bitcoin later in this video. I do believe an announcement is coming with Tesla accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum, and possibly Dogecoin as payment for Tesla. So I do believe we're finally in an altcoin season here, where we're going to start seeing much higher profits in coins that are outside of the top 10. As we see in the top 100, a lot of these are up 20 to 50%. So picking good coins that have good marketing coming up and promising products and features are really going to do really well in 2021. So for those that are interested in buying altcoins that are outside of the top 10 and want to know how to find good ones that will be high return on investment, I will be doing a video coming up here on how I pick good altcoins and how I find them for long-term investing, as well as I'm going to do a video on how I would spend $1,000 in the crypto space if I was brand new to crypto and just investing $1,000. And if you have more to invest, like $10,000, you would just multiply this by 10. And I'll be doing a pie chart and showing you guys the percentages of what cryptos I would hold to be diversified and be most successful in the long term in the crypto space. So I do have a lot of great content coming up, so be sure to be subscribed and hit the bell. So we recently broke $1 trillion cryptocurrency global market cap for the first time ever. Comparing this to gold, gold is over $10 trillion alone. So every single cryptocurrency out there, every single coin and token from every single project multiplied at its current price only adds up to $1 trillion right now, which is just ridiculous since there's thousands of cryptocurrencies and there's single companies out there that have a higher market cap than every cryptocurrency combined. That shows you how early we are to the crypto space in general. As you guys can see, Apple alone is worth more than every single crypto out there combined, over double. So that's just insane in my opinion. That does show proof we are very early here, especially as more and more people start to buy Bitcoin instead of gold, which I did speak about in a recent video as well. We are seeing gold dump in price while Bitcoin goes up. So what I posted here was the retail FOMO is real. I'm hearing about all kinds of people asking how to get into crypto through family and friends. Don't underestimate retail FOMO at the same time as institutional FOMO. This bull market is unlike anything we have experienced yet. So if you guys don't know what FOMO is, it's just fear of missing out. And this happens when prices start going up very quickly here, as we've seen. People start to get panicked and basically think they're gonna miss out and never be able to buy in at those prices again, so they go all in at the peak. This could work out sometimes, but most of the time this is not a good idea, and I do recommend looking into dollar cost averaging, which is basically just spreading out your purchases into your investments in intervals. So for example, if you do make $5,000 per month and you want to put 20% of that into cryptocurrency and you get paid bi-weekly, basically every 2 weeks you would take $500 out of your check immediately and buy cryptocurrencies with that $500, whatever cryptos you're most interested in for the long term. Over a very long period of time, this should average lower your average buy-in cost, which does make for very successful investments, especially for those that are new to investing in cryptos. Going all in at once is what we saw at the peak of the last bull run, and then everyone pretty much got panicked and then sold out, which is why it dropped off and then leveled back out. But this time around, we do have institutional FOMO at the same time. We have companies in the masses that are going to start buying up Bitcoin and Ethereum. So where I think we are right now in the crypto space at this peak of 1 trillion here, I think we're around where we were mid 2017, where we saw the first spike from around 15 billion at the beginning of 2017 to mid 2017, where it hit 100 billion for the first time. Of course, many people took profits here, and I don't blame them, being up around 10x, much more on some cryptocurrencies. XRP was one of the best performers in 2017. I heard it did something like 30,000% profit. So towards the end of 2017, if you held through this and you had strong hands, you would have got another 8 to 10x in global market cap. So that really puts things in perspective. Even though we're extremely high right now, I do think we're only starting in this bull market. So I want to show you guys some news just to back up this information here. Right here on CNBC, we have an article that came out yesterday. Bitcoin's wild rally and a fear of missing out has retail investors flocking to crypto, and retail investment interest has just begun. Basically, when Bitcoin passed $20,000 for the first time again and started going past its all-time high, Bitcoin and Ethereum weren't really trending in Google Trends yet. And now we're starting to see the trend levels rise as Bitcoin and Ethereum are in the media pretty much every day. Everyone's hearing about Bitcoin breaking all-time highs every couple days here, and this is just going to keep continuing with retail FOMO continuing to pick up here. And this time around, we have platforms that are more prepared to sell cryptocurrency, like PayPal. Binance is much bigger. So at the peak of the last bull run, Binance was a fairly new exchange. they had to close their doors to new investors. Coinbase shut their doors as well. We also had many other problems, like network fees were extremely high, transaction times were extremely high as well, which is why everyone got scared and pretty much dumped all their cryptocurrency, which is why we saw that huge dip from the peak of the last bull run. This time around, I don't think that's going to happen the same way. I think we're going to have a steady climb and find support and just have some small dips. But we will eventually peak out at a new all-time high global market cap. But I do think an 8 to 10x from the current global market cap is very possible by the peak of the next bull run, which would put crypto global market cap at $8 to $10 trillion. So if you have that in mind, there's still massive potential and huge profits to be made in cryptocurrencies, especially if you're holding the right ones. And that's really where things matter. And I will be talking about more on how I find cryptocurrencies that I trust to hold long term. So another article here that backs this, think how well Bitcoin would be doing if you could actually buy it. So this is a good point here. I had a couple friends sign up on Binance US recently, and the wait time to get verified to purchase from their bank account is over 10 days right now. And I do think that's going to continue climbing. So platforms are very backed up, and that does show we are at peak retail FOMO. People are trying to buy into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and Binance US is the best platform in my opinion if you are in the United States. And if you guys haven't signed up for Binance US, I highly recommend doing that right now and getting verified as soon as possible, because that wait time is really going to take quite a while. And Binance US fees are very slim compared to Coinbase and other platforms. It's better to buy in Binance US as well, because unlike PayPal, Binance, you can actually send your cryptocurrency to your own private wallet. So Binance US is my top recommended exchange to be using. You can buy directly from your bank account and exchange from a number of different cryptocurrencies there. I also have a trading series on my channel on Binance US where I trade cryptocurrencies and show you guys what I'm doing. And I do have a crypto trading series playlist at the bottom of my channel here if you guys want to check that out. So I'm doing updates on that every couple weeks, showing you guys what I'm buying for the short term. And I will have an update on that coming. So if you guys want to sign up for Binance US, please use the link in the video description. It gives me a very small commission on trades. And there's also a link to Binance.com if you're not in the United States. That will also give you trading discounts on your trades. So I do highly recommend signing up with those links. So I don't like doing too much promotion in my video, but this is a great deal that you guys definitely don't want to miss. If you guys aren't using a VPN yet, you definitely should, especially if you're connecting to random Wi-Fi's on your phone, or you're trading cryptocurrencies or anything, or use your phone for any sensitive information or whatever. This will definitely help you, and you can access Netflix in different countries as well and get access to Netflix shows and stuff that aren't in the United States. So using a VPN has many benefits. So my recommended VPN is currently 88% off for a very limited time. This is why I wanted to point this out in this video. It only comes out to $1.32 per month for the 5-year plan, less than the cost of a single cup of coffee. So there's really no excuse. I do think everyone should use a VPN, especially with the various benefits of it as well. So if you guys want to sign up, just go to jrnycrypto.com/VPN. There's also links in the video description, and using that link does give me a small commission, and it gives you this massive discount. So it's a win-win for both, and it does help support my channel and allow me to do this full time. So I really appreciate that as well. All right, guys, so I want to talk a little bit about Elon Musk before I end this video. So Elon Musk, as we talked about recently, just became the richest person in the world with the Tesla stock going up. So keep in mind, this is even before the Starlink comes out, which is the new internet, basically low orbit satellites that allow you to get internet pretty much anywhere in the world. And it's going to be very high speed, unlike any satellite internet we've ever seen. And that's supposed to generate $30 billion in revenue per month. So imagine how rich he's going to get once that's going. And they have all kinds of other stuff going as well. So the richest person in the world just posted about Bitcoin here on Twitter. So Ben posted on Twitter, "I'll tell you one thing, I'm never turning down getting paid in Bitcoin again." Elon Musk replied, "Me neither." And Elon Musk a couple weeks ago was talking about Dogecoin and Bitcoin. He said Bitcoin was his safe word. So this created a lot of hype. Crypto Twitter was really hyped up about this. A lot of people were posting about this. There was another article here as well. Elon Musk, the world's richest man, wants to be paid in Bitcoin. And this is why I'm saying that Elon Musk might be accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies as payment for Tesla cars and other products soon as well, which would be extremely massive news, and that would definitely generate a lot of hype if the richest man in the world was behind and supported Bitcoin. I know he supports Bitcoin more than fiat currency, which he has stated before. So it's very possible we get breaking news of Tesla accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies as payment. If this news breaks, it's going to push Bitcoin up to 50,000 and more very easily, in my opinion, and it's going to be very bullish for cryptocurrencies in general. One of the fastest growing companies now accepting Bitcoin as payment would just be massive. At the same time as everything else bullish going on, there's just endless bullish news going on in the crypto space right now. Pension funds, as we saw yesterday, are getting into Bitcoin as well. Companies are buying up more and more Bitcoin, and that's just the beginning of it for institutions. And retail FOMO is picking up, as we can see in Google Trends here. So if we search the Bitcoin in Google Trend, as you guys can see, past 30 days, we're at a peak right now. And we did briefly test $41,000 Bitcoin, so we could be moving upwards of $50,000, especially since we have retail FOMO picking up more and more. And as this article stated, think how well Bitcoin would be doing if you could actually buy it. Once everyone gets approved for their signups on Binance US and all these other crypto platforms, they're going to be buying Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and that's just going to put tons more volume into the space, which is bullish in general as well. Keep in mind though, in my last video, I did warn of a temporary dip that could be coming, that could be anywhere from 20 to 40% pullback. That's always expected, especially with things being so bullish. Bitcoin went straight from 20,000 to 40,000 in just a few weeks span of time. So when stuff is that bullish, you can expect temporary dips. That's just how the markets work. So long term in 2021, I'm very bullish in general. I think we will be touching $100,000 Bitcoin and more. But in the short term, there could be big dips. That's why dollar cost averaging is good and spreading out your purchases, because you can pick up some cryptocurrency on the dips every once in a while, especially as the FOMO dies down, which inevitably it will die down a little bit. But I do think a lot of people this time around are going to be doing dollar cost averaging and continue buying cryptocurrencies for the long term. So I do think it's very possible we're going to be testing $50,000 Bitcoin here in the upcoming few days to the next couple of weeks. Ethereum should be breaking all-time highs here very soon, and then testing $2,000, which I do think is where it should be right now. So I do think Ethereum is slightly undervalued. In an upcoming video, I will be talking about Cardano versus Ethereum and which one I would be buying right now, and I'll talk about why and what's the benefit of both of these and why I'm so bullish as well. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I appreciate if you guys subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share it anywhere on social media. It does help the channel grow, and it does help the YouTube algorithm send more traffic to my videos and channel, which does help the crypto space grow in general. So it's a win-win for everyone. Also, I have a couple videos I did recently that I think you should definitely check out as well. Making $1 million with crypto and the possibility of doing this with just $1,000, as well as that market dip I warned about and how that could be a huge buying opportunity for altcoins as well. Definitely check those videos out. Thank you guys again so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.